Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of Eliot's Excel exercises. Today we'll be talking about the COUNTIFS function. So it's a lot similar to the SUMIFS function, where it counts all the cells that meet the criteria, basically like advanced version. As you see here, we have our normal data set that we've been working with all along. Then we have a little table over here on the right where we have our accounts and we have some sort of criteria. So today we'll be counting how many of each account has a dollar amount or a check amount that's higher than 100,000. So let's get started. We're going to start off with equals count. Fifth one down, you see if S. Hit tab on that. First thing it's asking you for is the criteria range 1. So your range 1 would be your accounts. Hit lock on that. F4 is to lock your cells. Comma. Your criteria 1. Here's your account number. Comma. Criteria range 2. And we are looking for the amounts. So we're going to highlight the amounts. Hit F4 again, comma, and again our criteria, just like we did in the SUMIFS video. Right here it's just telling us to find anything that's greater than 100,000 on that account. So we can go ahead and hit enter and it'll calculate it for us. So here we have the hyphen, which means 0. Drag our formula down, and we have a few. We have 1 on 22,000, we have 1 on 32,000, and we have 3 on 45,000. Now the way to validate this, to check this, is to put on the filter. So highlight your top row, go to sort and filter, hit the filter button, and then you can sort by amount. And right here you have number filters, and right here we're going to do greater than 100,000. Hit OK on that, and we have the 5 results that we got when we did the function, the COUNTIFS function. So we have 3 and 45,000, we have 1 and 32,000, and we have 1 and 22,000. So I'm pretty sure that matched what we had before. As we see here, yep, we have 1 of that one, 1 of that one, and 3 of that one. So right here, we can trust that our formula is working. None of the cells look like they moved around by accident. You can check that by double clicking or by hitting F2 on the selected cell, and it'll bring it up in editing mode. This is helpful because you could see the colored rectangles for your selections. That's another nice and quick way to double check that your formulas are working as intended. And down here we have number 5, which is just a sum of the counts that we had right above it. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. And I'll see you next time. See ya.